Hello everybody, welcome to my reading session. Today I'm going to show you Hooray Hooray HOORATIO The Jolly Hedgehog Dreams About New Delhi by Rosemary Goodenough. Let's start. Once upon a time, when all the children in the northern hemisphere were asleep and all the children in the southern hemisphere were awake, Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog, who lived in the beautiful country of Norfolk in England, snuffled and snuggled under some leaves to have a little snooze. Snoozing was his favorite thing apart from snuffling and snuggling, because when he snoozed, he always dreamed about his friend Lulu Little Owl and what Lulu Little Owl's eyes would see. Hedgehog can't fly and Owl can't snuffle and snuggle, so the two friends helped each other, and Lulu Little Owl liked her owl eyes to see the world, and Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog liked to dream about the world. Tonight, Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog snuffled and snuggled and snoozed and dreamed that his friend Lulu Little Owl was looking down on the New Delhi, the capital city of India, from the very top of the Qutub Minar. And this is what he saw. He saw the president in Rashtrapati Bhavan and imagined having tea and samosas with a delicious chutney there, and some lovely sweet laddus with her singing Jana Gana Mana. He saw the kite flying festival on Independence Day and imagined going to learn about how to fly beautiful, colorful, bright, huge kites. He saw the boats on the Yamuna river and wanted to feel the wind on his prickles as he stood at the bow of a boat. He saw the beautiful shop and wanted him to buy himself a dhoti and a Gandhi cap. Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog loved New Delhi and loved his friend Lulu Little Owl for sharing it with him, while he snuffled and snuggled and snoozed and dreamed. The next morning, Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog and Lulu Little Owl decided to visit their friend the Mufflet. They were both so excited by their adventure in New Delhi that they wanted to tell the Mufflet a special little cat all about it. The Mufflet was excited to see her best friend and invited them in for tea. She listened very carefully to their adventure, and after they had left thinking no one was listening or watching, she imagined herself she was wearing a beautiful sari and dancing the Bharatanatyam. Just then, Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog and Lulu Little Owl passed by the window. They both saw what fun she was having and were so happy to have shared their exciting adventure with her. The end. Until Hooray Hooray HOORATIO the Jolly Hedgehog snuffles and snuggles and snoozes and dreams